Previous life, I used to do this. I used to fly from one city to the other in the corporate world and deal with many issues on a daily basis. And now I don't need to do that because all I need to do is get on a plane and go over to another capital city and check out a car. Ironically, it's going to be for me. It's not for anybody else. It's one I've always liked, and I think I'm going to get it because I used to get them imported many years ago, and it's a secret thing of mine where I do enjoy Japanese cars as well as the Australian classics. So a little bit of something for me, but anyway, come along for the drive, the journey, the flight. Let's have a look at this thing.
All I wanna do is take you downtown, baby. I'm wasted. All I wanna do is drive home to you, baby. I'm faded. All I wanna do is take you downtown, baby.
Alright, so in this R35 GTR, it has all the fruit. It's been meticulously well looked after. It's got 50 odd thousand kilometres on it. It's got the Australian version sitting here, and if I start it, sounds pretty good.